Welcome to all. As we started with chapter HTML and we completed how to create hyperlink to connect number of web pages. Now next thing is about list. What is the meaning of list here? That if we want to represent number of things of the same type, so we have to create list. So let's see how we can create list. Lists are of three types: ordered list, unordered list and definition list. Ordered list means whatever you will enter in list, it will be in ordered format. Suppose A, B, C or 1, 2, 3, whatever. Okay. Unordered list means instead of number you will have circle, disc or bullet, square. Whatever the content of your list will be there, it will be represented by circle, bullet or disc. Next thing, definition list. Definition list means something or any term will be here, okay, and the description part you will get in next statement. What it means, this is definition term and this is definition description. Okay, let's see one by one. Ordered list. Ordered list is created by using OL tag. It is in pair, that is OL start tag and end tag. Type is an important attribute in ordered list tag. What it means? What is the meaning of type here? The ordered type may be capital A, small a, numbers, capital Roman number and small Roman number. Okay. For example, we started with OL tag and type is equal to A. Okay. Instead of this A, I can write this small a, 1, capital Roman number or small Roman number. Whatever I will write, I will get all the things in sequence. Okay. So I mentioned here A. So I will get A red, B green, C blue. Okay. Li tag. You can see here a new tag li, that means list tag. Using this tag you are not supposed to use br, and whatever the content you want to make in the form of list you have to mention in this list start tag and end tag. Okay, and we have to close OL tag here. Next one, unordered list. Unordered list is created by using UL tag. Okay, what is the full form? Unordered list. It is also in pair, that means start tag and end tag. Type is an important attribute in unordered list also. What it means? Type may be circle like this, square like this and disc. Okay, disc will be filled circle. For example, I wrote and I started here with UL tag and type is equal to disc. What it means? I am using this type of format and I wrote for red, green and blue. So I will get disc for these three colors in list and I closed here UL tag. Next one, definition list. It is created by using DL tag. It is also in pair. What it means? It is with start tag and end tag. In DL tag we have two sub tags. Those are DT with start and end tag and DD with start and end tag. Let's see the full form. DT means definition term. जिस भी term का आपको statement चाहिए और meaning चाहिए, you have to write that thing in DT tag. And definition description is for DD. जो भी statement फिर आपको लिखना है उसका description लिखना है, you have to write that statement in DD format. Okay, in DD tag. For example, I started DL tag. In DL tag I wrote HTML in DT tag and the statement for this DT or this term I wrote in DD tag. Okay, and I closed here DL tag. Let's see about the program. See here, I started with the basic coding and in body tag I gave heading for these three sections. Why? Because in program or in final output you will see appropriate format, okay, with name. So I wrote here for OL tag, here for UL tag, and here for DL tag. Next is, let's see the output. I saved my file here with list. See here, list in title I got. Ordered list, it means it is in the form of A, B, C in sequence. Unordered list, I wrote there as type equal to disk, so I got disk for 3 times for these 3 colors. Definition list means this is term and this is description for this term. Okay, so this is all about your list of this 3 type. Whatever you want to represent in the format of list, or you want to represent number of things of the same kind, you can represent here using list tag. Okay, thank you class.